TikTok. What happens to TikTok? Well, it has democratized entertainment. Millions have turned into TikTok celebrities. This has happened in our country. There were security concerns, but what really about the TikTok stars? I want to introduce at this moment first Aditya Kothari is the Vice President Strategy of the TikTok alternative called Chingari app. So welcome Mr. Kothari. I have with me from Bahraich in Uttar Pradesh, Priyanka Gupta, and from Hajipur in Bihar, 8-year-old 4th class student Prachi Yadav. Thank you so much. I want to come to you Prachi first. Prachi, आप TikTok पे क्या करती थी?
I used to entertain others.
प्राची, आप मेरी आवाज सुन सकती हैं?
हाँ, मैं सुन सकती हूँ.
आप क्या करती थी टिकटॉक पे?
I used to entertain others.
Oh, you used to entertain others. Okay. How did you do that?
I used to make comedy video, angry video, and dance video also.
Okay. And you must have heard about the fact that now TikTok is not there. It has been banned. So how do you feel?
I am very upset.
You are upset?
Yes.
Are you aware that you can continue to entertain others using other apps as well?
Yes.
So will you do that?
Yes, I will do.
So what sort of entertaining dance videos or funny videos or joke videos did you make?
So I can't listen your voice properly.
Can you hear me now, Prachi? Okay, I'm going to fix this audio. Prachi told us that she made a lot of entertaining, funny videos, comedy videos. We also have Priyanka Gupta. Priyanka जी, आपका बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है. आप बहराइच से हैं, उत्तर प्रदेश में. मैं आपसे प्रियंका जी ये जानना चाहता हूँ, आप किस किस्म के वीडियोस बनाती थी टिकटॉक पे?
मैं बस फनी वीडियो या सॉन्ग बस, और उससे ज्यादा वीडियोस बनाती नहीं थी. फैमिली के साथ, सिस्टर के साथ, सबके साथ वीडियोस बनाती थी.
ये वीडियो देखता कौन था? प्रशंसक?
वीडियो सब देखते थे, फैमिली देखती थी और फॉलोवर्स थे वो सब देखते थे.
कितने फॉलोअर थे आपके?
मेरे 25 फॉलोवर्स थे, 25,000 फॉलोवर्स थे मेरे.
ओके.
हाँ जी.
ओके. और आपको रिस्पांस वगैरह मिलता था आपके वीडियो के ऊपर?
हाँ जी, मिलता था. मैं लगता था मेरे को कि मैं भी एक वो हो गई हूँ, फेमस हो गई हूँ.
अच्छा.
थोड़ा लगता था. हाँ जी.
ये आपको फीलिंग होती थी वहां बहराइच में बैठे बैठे?
हाँ जी, होती थी थोड़ी.
अच्छा, टिकटॉक में मैंने एक चीज देखी थी, बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी जैसे कि टाइड है या पेप्सी है, ये अक्सर कुछ टिकटॉकर्स को स्पॉन्सर कर देते थे कि आप उनका लोगो लगा लीजिए और उनकी कुछ बात कर लीजिए. इससे कुछ लोग पैसा भी कमाने लगे थे.
हाँ जी.
तो आपको लगता है ये एक बड़ी सफलता का उसका कारण था कि लोग उससे पैसा भी कमा सकते हैं एंटरटेन करने के अलावा?
हाँ जी, ये तो है.
Okay, Prachi is back with us, but before I go to Prachi, Aditya Kothari, see, I'm not going to get into security concerns of TikTok and the other apps. We have discussed that at length yesterday, right, on our program. I want to tell you at this moment, do you see the clientele, what TikTok actually did? Some of the videos were terrible. One couldn't even tolerate watching them. But then it gave a great platform and a great opportunity to millions in this country to entertain, not just themselves, not just their family, but many followers. I mean, some commoners had as many as 2 million, 3 million followers. It's crazy. Even celebrities do not have these many followers. How can an app like yours match up to the expectations of these ex-TikTokers?
So yeah, that's a great question. So the first thing what we're doing is, it takes a lot of effort, and since you guys being in the news channel, you know that it takes a lot of effort to make content online, right? And we create followership. Now imagine if someone just shut it down overnight. I mean, that's terrible. And what Prachi, I was listening to what Prachi and Priyanka were saying, with 25,000, plus followers, plus Prachi being an 8-year-old girl, I mean, that's phenomenal, right? So it's for us, it's just not an overnight success. Right? It's not a one-night stand. We've been building this platform and testing from the last 2 years, right? Definitely, the China ban has helped us much. I talk to you, we have around, our numbers speak for itself. We have like 4.5 million views on video per minute, right? We're getting around 3.5 million downloads every hour. Just in the afternoon, we had 1 million downloads per hour. Now we've just shot up to 3.5 million downloads per hour. So, like you said, we are an Indian company, we are an Indian-based app. The first thing.
No, I want to ask you at this moment, Aditya. I hope you realize that TikTok was just a platform. What it offered to its people was something which many other platforms have offered. For instance, long ago there was Dubsmash. Then you had other apps also which were doing pretty much the same. Instagram allows you to do a lot of these things. And still TikTok became quite popular. I want to know from you that if you keep these security concerns aside, as far as TikTok is concerned, what stopped you from competing in this market and offering a far more compelling product for these people to switch to an Indian app? Why couldn't you have competed with TikTok?
So, we were a completely bootstrap company. We did not. We were completely focused on making sure that our app is robust and the kind of interaction a user has, it has to be smooth and robust. So we were completely focusing on that. It's just the last few months that we started going out in the market. So until 22nd June, we had around 5.5 lakh downloads, right? So yeah, now that we are ready and whatever is happening right now, I would just say it's just luck and time for us.
Okay, so you've got two former TikTok celebrities right here. Now, Prachi is also here. Prachi, would you like to use this app, Chingari app?
Yes.
Yes. So you've got Mr. Aditya Kothari from the Chingari app. I would let Mr. Kothari encourage you to join his app. Go ahead, Mr. Kothari. Here are your potential superstars.
Hi, Prachi.
Hi.
And not just Prachi, hi Priyanka as well. So, Prachi, how would it be if you could do the same thing what you've done on TikTok, on Chingari, without losing your confidence? How would you be?
Your voice is not coming properly.
Can you hear me now? Am I audible?
No.
Why don't you tell me? I'll ask this question.
Yes, Tim.
Yeah, Aditya, tell me what you want to ask her. I'll ask the question.
So I was just saying, Prachi, that how would it be if we could have her on Chingari and she gets more viewership and the same kind of attention that she's been getting on TikTok?
Okay, Prachi. So the owner of Chingari app is saying that what if you get the same amount of... Oh, you're the vice president, strategy. Yeah. So the vice president of Chingari, a representative of Chingari is telling you, Prachi, Aditya is telling you that you will get the same popularity that you got on TikTok on this Indian platform also. So will you join?
Yes, I will join.
Wow. Congratulations.
Happy to... Perfect.
Aditya, you have a new user right here.
Thank you.
प्रियंका, मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूं, देखिए ये आपने टिकटॉक इस्तेमाल किया होगा और भी जो अलग अलग ऐप्स हैं इस तरीके के वो भी इस्तेमाल किए होंगे, तो अब टिकटॉक तो बहुत ज्यादा लोकप्रिय हो गया था, आप किस ऐप को मौका देंगी?
मैं अगर कोई नया ऐप आएगा तो जरूर मौका दूंगी, अगर टिकटॉक के जैसा हुआ तो।
ऐसा क्या था टिकटॉक में खास?
टिकटॉक पे एंजॉय करने को मिलता था, फैमिली के साथ टिकटॉक बनाने का मौका मिलता था, बच्चों के साथ, और हाउस वाइफ काम करने के बाद थोड़ा सा टिकटॉक चला लेती थी, वीडियो बना लेती थी।
Aditya, so that is the following of TikTok. These are the type of people who love TikTok, and that is the reason. Entertainment. It just made them smile and happy.
Absolutely.
Can your platforms compete?
Absolutely. We are meant to compete, and in fact, we are meant to go way ahead than what other competitors are right now, right? So in fact, it's just not a pure entertainment app, right? So for example, Prachi, if she's bored and she's like, hey, I cannot, I'm really bored. Can I play a game section on the game section as well? A category called game section. So we are seeing a massive engagement on the game section. We have around 25 lakh hours spent on the game section. We have a news section as well. So yeah, absolutely. We have meant that. In
I'll
fact,
tell you No. What I wanted to ask you, Mr. Kothari, is that there was a major problem with TikTok, and the problem was that anyone could post anything. Now, that is a good thing also, and that is a bad thing also. It is bad because you had a lot of filthy content, terrible content, which was not funny, which was misogynistic, which was sexist,
Exactly.
right? Which was abusive, and yet
Yep.
it was very difficult. Do you think that
Yep.
this is something which your app will be able to filter or protect?
So, that's the first few things. Going back to your question, why did it take so much time? It's not that you make an app and you throw it to the people. We should understand the Indian mindset is different. The Indian population is different, right? So every 100 kilometer we go, the language is, the caste changes, everything changes, and it's a very sentimental thing. So we have to make sure that we take care of that. Especially for this, we have a large team that actually curates, and not just curates, also filters content, right? So that our viewers and our users get this content possible.
Okay, my final question to the TikTok stars again. Prachi, were you working on some video before the app got banned?
Yes, I used to make videos.
Were you making some video before the app got banned?
Yes, I used to make some kinds of videos.
What sort of videos did you make? Like I saw you were standing next to a shop, and there was another one where you were offering flowers to a shivling. So also, and then you were dancing.
I was dancing also.
So Mr. Aditya Kothari now says you can do all of this on his app and maybe explore certain others also. You can ask your family members also.
And in fact, you also get rewarded for that. You guys are the real influencers, right? Imagine you get Chingari points back in your account, or you also get cash, which is great, because why should only the large influencers earn money? Why not the micro and macro influencers? That's what Chingari is for.
Aditya, is there anything for me? Can I do something on your app?
We have a news section and we need an influencer like you. So when can I get you on the platform?
I'm not an influencer, my friend. You, the real influencers, I was making you speak to them. But thank you so much, Mr. Aditya Kothari, our TikTok superstars, Priyanka Gupta. I want to say at this moment, Aditya, before we leave, I hope you realize the tremendous potential that a TikTok unlocked in this country. That everyone sitting anywhere, a housewife, someone in Hajipur, an 8-year-old, 7-year-old, all of them can be superstars. You don't need to be in Mumbai to be a superstar. Do you realize that?
100%, and that's what we are here for.
All right. Thank you so much. Aditya Kothari, Priyanka Gupta, as well as Prachi Yadav. Amazing talking to all of you. That's a wrap in this edition of Trending Tonight. News will continue on the other side.